everyone, I'm Anita. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. If you like my tips and hacks, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new health tips on an everyday basis that can help you in modifying your lifestyle and keeping you healthy for a longer time. So, today I'm going to be speaking about heart health or the foods that all people who have undergone a heart surgery must include in their diet on an everyday basis. So, that's what I'm going to be talking about. The 5 definite foods into your diet if you have had a heart disease in the recent past or earlier. The first on the list for people who with heart disease is carrots. So carrots have not only benefits our eyesight, but it also benefits our heart. In a study, it was shown that every person who consumed 25 grams of carrot a day saw a reduction of 32% in terms of their risk in their heart health. So definitely carrots is something that has to be a part of your routine. Either make a curry out of it or a salad out of it or make a juice out of it and consume it on an everyday basis. It's got something called beta carotene, which is a high antioxidant for the body and helps remain our arteries unclogged and clear all the time. So definitely you should consider taking carrots on an everyday basis. The second on the list is beetroot. Beetroot in the form of a juice or raw juice when consumed on an everyday basis can improve the blood flow and reduce your blood pressure. It has got something called nitrates in it which actually dilate your blood vessels so that the blood can flow easily, and it also boosts your energy levels to do an exercise better. So it can be a pre-workout drink for every heart health related person, or anybody who has a heart disease can definitely consume beetroot juice on everyday basis. The third on the list is walnuts. Now, walnuts we know are good in omega 3 fatty acids, and we have been thinking of walnuts only for our brain. But then, walnuts is definitely good for our heart as well because our heart also requires omega 3 fatty acids. So, these omega 3 fatty acids actually help prevent blood clots, which is one of the risk factor if you have a stunt or if you've undergone a heart issue. So definitely consuming walnuts everyday basis, at least 3 to 4 of them is definitely advised. Those of you who consume walnuts on a regular basis will not have erratic heart rhythms, or it will be much more regulated. Your heart rhythms will not be up and down all the time. So that is something you should consume in your diet on everyday basis. The fourth thing that you should consider consuming on an everyday basis would be different kinds of lentils and beans. Now, lentils and beans have natural fiber in them, and they also have a lot of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants in them. So, consuming them on an everyday basis does not only give you protein but also the fiber, vitamins, and all the antioxidants in them, which improve the blood flow and reduce the blood pressure of the body, which in turn helps the heart in a big way. Last in the list is green leafy vegetables like palak, methi, dilli, all these kind of different green leafy vegetables that are available to us. Consuming them will give you enough of folic acid, iron, magnesium, potassium, calcium, which is all what the heart requires to strengthen the heart muscles, to make sure that the pumping action of the heart is proper. So these things will really help the heart in the long run. So at least consume one type of green leafy vegetable every day. Add it to your dals, make a sabji, add it to your chapati or roti that you're making, and enhance the quality of the food that you're eating. Sometimes it becomes difficult to include a lot of things into our diet. So we need to find simple tricks and techniques to include them so that we can enhance the quality of the food that we are eating. Not the quantity of the food, but the quality of the food that we are eating. So these are the top 5 foods you should consider if you've had a heart issue in the recent past or earlier, which can help you live a long and better life ahead. Thank you so much for listening. If you like what I say, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new topics every day on different ways of including foods into your diet that can help you.